Do you have the shaky fabric type grab handles in your Jeep Wrangler? In my humble opinion, they're not the best. When you want to get into the vehicle, it's right in the middle. You have to duck underneath it to get inside, and you always wind up bumping your head on it. I'm going to show you how to install something new and much improved. Here it is. This is called a wild boar grab bar. When you get into the vehicle, you can grab it with your right hand or your left hand and step right inside the vehicle. Whether your vehicle is lifted or stock, it makes it much easier to enter the vehicle and exit the vehicle. Here's the front, and here's the back. Just grab it, pull yourself up, and scoot right in. And these are very sturdy, 3/4 inch solid steel, powder coated, really nice looking, accent any Jeep, and very practical. One of the most practical improvements you can make on your Jeep. I purchased the set that contained the front and the rear. It comes with the bar, 2 short spacers, 2 short bolts, 2 long bolts, 2 long spacers, and the other bar. This is left front. It has beveled or a countersunk openings here. The countersunk openings on this one. This is the right. Front right. These 2 long ones here, these are the rear, left and right, and it comes with 4 bolts, all the same size. For this project, you'll need a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. This is a kit that I carry in my Jeep at all times. It's a nice Cordura pouch, and it has all the most commonly used Torx bits for a Jeep Wrangler and a ratchet to drive them. So I'll put a link underneath the video where it says show more to this kit, and also the grab bars. If you want to pick these items up, just click underneath, it'll take you directly there. Here's your left pillar, your driver's side pillar that goes from your windshield up to the roof. These are the 2 openings. This one you don't have to do anything with. There's a little plastic Phillips head screw in there. Don't need to remove that. But this one here, the upper one, you will need to remove. That's a 13mm socket bolt. And up here, your visor, you'll also need to remove this one, which is also a 13mm bolt. I'll start with the upper bolt. Just be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to swing too far and hit your windshield and crack it. So just put your hand on the end of the socket wrench so that that doesn't happen. Actually, even easier to remove the wrench once you've got the bolt broken loose, and then just use your hand on the socket and remove that. Okay, we'll set that down. This trim piece right here, it's hollow on the bottom. It's not solid, so what can happen is that bolt, when you loosen it, can fall down inside here, and then you'll have to fish it out through the bottom of this pillion, which could be a pain. So I just took a piece of cardboard like this, and I'm going to roll it up and just put that inside there and make a bit of a channel. You can see that. It's a little channel for the bolt to go into, just so it doesn't fall inside, and we'll remove it that way. There we go. We're able to remove it all at once. The cardboard, you can actually squeeze it and hold the bolt while you loosen it at the same time. Now I have the grab bar for the left side. It reads wild boar, and it does have the countersunk hole facing out, which is what you want. So you'll take that, take your short spacer, this one, and the short bolt, insert the bolt right through the grab bar, and then through the spacer, and then directly into the hole up above. And you can just start it for now. You don't want to tighten it up yet. Just get it started. It's loose. Now we'll take the long bolt and the long spacer. Insert the spacer into the hole. Insert the long bolt through the grab bar, through the spacer, and into the pillar. And tighten that. Be careful not to cross thread. Just start it with your fingers till you got it going. Here you'll need a T40 Torx wrench to tighten these up. Be careful not to hit the windshield with your wrench. that is super sturdy. That's awesome. We'll remove this top bolt, the visor bolt. You can save these bolts if you ever sell your vehicle and you want to take these off. You may want to reinstall these at a later date. Now let's break this upper bolt on the pillar. Be careful of the windshield again. Now I'll get my rolled up piece of cardboard in there. You can tell when it's loose, the wrench will stop moving out. The socket will stop moving out, and then you can just grab the whole thing, squeeze the cardboard, and pull straight out, and there it is. Nice and easy. If it falls down inside there, it's a hassle to get it out. Here's the other grab bar. Will go in like that. So you want the short bolt and the short spacer. Insert the short bolt through the spacer, and then get it started up there. Just slightly, that's good. Now you'll need the long bolt and the long spacer. Stick the spacer in the hole, then the bolt right through the grab bar and into the spacer. Get that started. Tighten it the rest of the way with the T40 Torx. This wrench has a rubber handle, so if I tap the windshield, it's okay. But if you have a metal wrench, you'll not want to do that. Beautiful. Again, super sturdy. You could hang on this thing and it won't bend. This is very sturdy steel. It's an excellent product. Okay, let's head to the back. For this, you'll need a 10mm socket. This has a washer built into it. Again, set these off to the side. You may want to save them if you decide to take these off in the future. Now I've got the rear grab bar with the hook towards the front. Just insert the bolt right through the hole in the front. Get that started. Again, just start it slightly so it's loose. Give it a little bit of play. Give yourself some wiggle room. Now insert the rear bolt. Alternate tightening again. All good, super sturdy. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it helps you install your grab bars in your Jeep Wrangler. And be sure to check out my other video. I'll show you how to install a reverse or backup camera in your Jeep Wrangler. And here's what it looks like. After you do some work on your Jeep, what do? You go clean it up. You can't beat the $3 car wash.